Hello everybody. Going to start our first little Ramadan art project on the wall, a little mural. I like this design of the LAS building. This is what the ABP is, Academic Bridge Program, of which I'm a part. So I see there's only 3 shapes in this figure. They're all quadrilaterals. Furthermore, they are parallelograms. And they all have the same length of side. Okay, so it looks more complicated than it is. It's only, when I break it down, I just see 3 different parallelograms, all with the same side. So there's a square, 90-degree corners. There is a rhombus a rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. So they all have equal sides, so they're all rhombuses. So a square is a rhombus, and then that other one has, I'll show you the little things I made. So how am I going to make sure they all have equal sides and then different angle measures? So one has 30 degrees in each corner and 150 across, right? Remember, the angles inside of a quadrilateral have to add up to 360 degrees. So with this basic information that I know from our polygon studies about angles and then observing and then lengths of sides, so I went ahead and made these. I used a compass here that just holds, all this does is hold the same length. So I'm cutting arcs, I'm cutting pieces of a circle, and so I did this guy. So these angles are 60 and this is 120. 60 and 120. You can also see these lines are parallel to one another because of how I constructed it. So this is a transversal. So this angle and this angle are supplementary. 60, 120, 120, 60. And the other dart, or whatever you want to call it, a little rhombus here. Same length sides. I used this. I held the same length, right? Cut these arcs, and then I cut the angle measure in half. So this is 30, so this has to be 30 plus 150 makes 180. 150, 150, 30, 30, and then I made a square too. Just cut some arcs, make sure my corners are 90 degrees. Okay, so all the sides are equal, and so we're going to do this. And the other thing I see when I look back here, sorry about getting you dizzy there. When I look at this pattern, I see that they never line up to have a straight line. At every intersection, there is no line going straight across through the intersection. Okay, so we'll just kind of follow that random pattern, making sure that we never line them up. You know, there's no 2 squares that meet along each other's edge, right? And so you just keep looking at it, thinking, okay, we can do this on the wall. All right, I'll get back with you when I've made more video here.